Make a great choice today with the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a 7-passenger luxury SUV which possesses all the strength, versatility, safety, elegance, cutting-edge technology, sleek sophistication, and amenities that you've come to expect from a Mercedes, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, air conditioning, moonroof, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.